guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my fidgets. I for once am on a trend. Oh, look at me. Anyway, I've got fidgets here and we're going to review them. So the first, oh, this is the bad side. So let's listen. This is a bad side. So let me get to the good side. Okay, this is the good side. The blue one's better, but guys, so I give it like a 7 out of 10. It's not really a good fidget. You know what I mean? Testing this one.
So there's a good possibility of at least 2 of us being together, and they said they'd do alone, so we can be together.
Okay, this is the next one. Which one's better?
Do we want to watch this sad movie about the
That's such a good puppet. Okay, so the next fidget we have here, it's a water timer. I personally don't like the water timer. Well, I love the water timer actually because it lets me get all my anxiety out. I have anxiety. But like, it's just fun, satisfying to watch. Like, you can move the bubbles and like you can watch the water go in the heart and then you flip it over. So I think this is a pretty cool fidget. So I'm gonna give that a 4 out of 10. This one's the next one. I didn't have the actual fidget, so I had to improvise, but I think this is like the fidget. Yeah. Pretty cute. I give it a 6 out of 10. This one's the next one. Absolutely recommend. Yes. Recommend so much. It takes time to get used to because you might not be as fast, but I personally love it. So I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. This I just got because I wanted it, and like I guess this is kind of a fidget because you take it out and then you assemble, and then we assemble it. It's pretty fun. Let's see if this one, and you can play around with it, so that's why I like it personally. But yeah, probably a 2 out of 10. Okay, and these are the last pieces. You guys might know this. It's like where you put a ball together, or because this one's a ball. Basically, you put a ball together. I'll show you guys. You put the ball together. I basically memorized it, but I can't because all the pieces aren't here. Basically, these go like that. Yes. Like it fits perfectly. Okay, and then I give that a 1 out of 10 because I don't like, it makes me uncomfortable. Okay, you guys ready for this? All the bubbles are out. You ready? Whoop. This is my favorite part, and everything just comes down, and it's really cool. That fidget box was over there. So yeah. I've got goldfish. I was just eating. Guys, I'm not a lazy person, guys, okay? This is just my only weekend without having stress because I had so many tests. Anyway, I want to do something fun. And exhale. Bye.